Are you looking for the best ways to make passive income with Sellfy? If so, I'll be sharing with you 3 mind-blowing ways on how you can use Sellfy to earn money online from digital products, print on demand, and physical products. Let's dive in. The first way to make money with Sellfy is by creating your own digital products. If you have a particular skill, you can use it to create digital products that would appeal to your audience. For example, if your specific expertise is dropshipping, you can create and sell ebooks with valuable tips and tricks to run a successful dropshipping business. When it comes to creating ebooks, my ultimate recommendation is going to be designer.io. I will leave a link in the description so that way you can check it out for yourself. Another way to make money with Sellfy is by selling print-on-demand products. This means you can use the Sellfy platform to sell t-shirts, hats, etc. without owning any inventory. You just have to focus on creating designs. This is a great way to earn money if you don't have any physical inventory. Real quick, here are some design resources for you to consider. Number 1, it's going to be Creative Fabrica. Get unlimited access to designs, fonts, and so much more for just $1 your first month. And after that, it'll be $19 a month, 35% discounted from normal price. And number 2, it's gonna be Fiverr. Type in t-shirt designs in the search bar and filter your budget to as low as $5 and hire a designer to make those designs for you. And lastly, if you would like 10 free PNG designs and 11 AI files where you can edit those files and create even more designs, make sure you click the link in the description so that way you can get access to those designs. Next way to make money with Sellfy is by selling physical products or pretty much whatever you have available. For example, let's say you do sublimation t-shirts at home. You take pictures of some of your t-shirts with some designs on them and upload them on Sellfy. Another way is to use mock-ups. You can go on Placeit to find high quality mock-ups with models wearing the t-shirt with the design. All you pretty much have to do is upload your design and it will generate on the t-shirt. I will leave a link to Placeit in the description so that way you can check it out. Let's talk about the best ways to promote your products you're selling on Sellfy. First way is going to be to promote your Sellfy website on social media. Let's say you're using Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. You can create short form content fast using a combination of Placeit and Canva. Links to both will be in the description. Let's say you just added a t-shirt to your Sellfy store. To make a quick video promoting that t-shirt or t-shirts, you can simply go on placeit.net, sign up, and once you're signed up, in the search bar, type in t-shirt video mockups, and you will have a bunch of options for you to choose from. Once you find the video mockup you want, choose your t-shirt color and upload your design. You can also add more mockups if you want with different designs. Let's say you are done. Next step would be to download the video. Next, you want to go over to Canva, sign up, and after that, in the search bar, type in mobile video. You will get a bunch of templates you can use. Just click on where it says create a blank mobile video. Now on the left, you will see where it says upload. Click on that and click on where it says upload files. Locate the video mockup you downloaded from Placeit and just drop it in on Canva. I am going to use a video I created a while back. Let's assume I'm promoting a new t-shirt. I'm going to size it all the way until it fills the template. Next, I am going to click on the plus on the bottom to add a clip. In this clip, I'm going to add text. Type in something like get yours today, link will be in the bio. Once you're done there, click on animate and click on breathe. Make the text stand out. You can adjust how long you want each clip. One thing to keep in mind is 10 to 20 seconds is perfect for each short form content. Once you're done, just simply click on download. After that video is downloaded, you can upload it on social media. And remember to include the link to your Sellfy website in the bio so customers can make a purchase. Now that we got that out the way, let's move on to the next best way to promote your products you're selling on Sellfy. And that is going to be to build an email list. I created a step-by-step tutorial on how to do just that. I will link it up top and also in the description of this video. Essentially, what you want to do is give away a free lead magnet. In this case, you can put together a quick ebook with 10 of your top products, and if your customers want access to that ebook, they can enter in their name and email and you can send it over. The goal here is to build your email list where you can sell to them down the road. With one email you send out to your email list promoting your products or business will maximize your chances to make money online. You can automate this whole entire process with ease. I use System.io to help me with that. You can use Designer.io to create that lead magnet as well. I go over how to build your email list. Just click the card up top and in the description of this video. And finally, it's important to continuously improve your product's pricing, marketing strategies to increase sales. it's a good idea to track your sales and customer feedback and make changes accordingly. That pretty much wraps it up for today's video. If you found value in this video, do me a quick solid. Make sure you let me know in the comment section below. And consider smashing that like button and subscribe button, and don't forget hitting that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.